Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
When I do it, I send it to multiple people I can trust. Romy's got copies of everything filmed in my house. His older sister has it, and it's kept in a couple places.
Absolutely. And I encourage people to narrate. You don't have to have a rosy voice to be able to do this. Nobody else is going to listen to it. But as they're going through and they're talking and then just identifying some of the items as they're doing it as well. So the video is important, but having some audio to accompany that to help further explain what you're looking at, I think will go a long way.
And I tell people all the time, take your paper documents, take the things that might melt. A little fire safe that's rated up to 1,400, 1,800, 2,000 degrees isn't horribly expensive.
Right.
But don't store it on the floor.
Yeah.
Rosie on the house every Arizona